What is going on, you guys? JACObrdoty here, back from another vlog, and today we're gonna do something a little differently. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head. I have this nice little back road, and there's probably some cars coming, but I have the car pulled over right here. It's a little dirty, and as you can tell by the shadow, we're battling some light, but I actually like scraped the crap out of it because I didn't know that this road crowned so high, so I should have aired up, but I scraped the underside a little bit. No big deal. I have the car all here. We have a nice smooth road. I've actually been on this road before, and it's just such a nice driving road. I figured I had to put the GoPro on and come up here and record a video for you guys. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now the car is stretched on street tires and it's bagged, so it's not necessarily a canyon monster, and this is not a canyon necessarily, but I think this is gonna be pretty awesome, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy. So I'm just gonna shut up and I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head and we're gonna hit the road. Ugh. Oh yeah. I am for sure airing up to get up over that. There's an RV coming, so we definitely want to get in front of that. So let's go. Oh, please do not scrape. I'm gonna angle so harsh on this. Oh, thank God. Such a nice road. I'm gonna roll up the windows a bit. We immediately caught up. I got stuck behind someone going 5 under the speed limit. Moo cows, we got moo everywhere. Look at that little fuzzy moo. I'm like Ricky Bobby, I wanna go fast. I wanna go fast. I know that WRX right in front of me. Oh, actually, that's a STI. I know that STI wants to get up and get it. Look at how nice it is though. Like, as I guess we're doing a preview, look at how smooth and banking it is. Great camber on the turns. It's gonna be real fun once we can open her up. Alrighty, the STI is getting a little bit more confident. We're getting some twisties in here. Might crank it down a little. Tons of backfires. All right, hopefully I find a nice little spot where I'm all alone, because that was a little slow, but there are some tight turns. I'm not going for a track record here. There are some tight ones, so you gotta be prepared for those. I'm just gonna shut up and drive so that way you guys can enjoy it. Coming in hot on a truck here. Probably gonna have to cool it a little bit. He's getting it pretty good actually, but I'm gonna give him a little space. All right, I can't see the truck anymore, so we'll get back onto it. coming back in on them. I'll give them some room here. That's another part of being into cars. It's not just building them and making them your own, but also getting out there and enjoying them, because that's what cars are meant for. They're meant to be driven and put miles on them, enjoy them. The motor is meant to be on, the motor's meant to rip. That's why it's designed. Just go out there and drive. And up here I really like, that's pretty tight. Avoid the raccoon in the middle of the road, that's killed. But that one, I think I can roll down the windows and it kind of echo a little bit with the exhaust. It's definitely got some tight turns, so you gotta be on your toes. This one I know a little bit better. You have to go very, very slow for these railroad tracks that will throw your car, because trust me, it's like a ramp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, big bump there. That's it. I know I have the little GoPro head mount hickey on my forehead, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to get out there and enjoy this back road that I found. Highly suggest that if you guys can, take your cars out, go and have a nice drive. It's one of those things that helps clear your mind and have some fun while you're at it. And I just wanted to share that with you guys, because that's one of my favorite things, is just watching people rip around on some back roads. Man, that's the beauty of cars, and you can build something to make that happen. It's pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.